hold on. Let me see if he's good.
What the? Okay.
You crazy? Hold on. Give me a kiss, sugar pie. You crazy? Hold on. What the hell? Oh yeah.
What the hell is going on over there? Oh.
My God, her friends is a tryhard.
That's crazy.
Oh,
He got tagged by accident. Bro.
Gosh, what did I
It's been a
come?
while since I've seen that happen. That's crazy. I'm trying to search on
Bro, I need to check my
What
bed.
are you talking about?
Bro, no, I can't check it. Bro, I'm gonna get tagged.
Not cool to ground care people or foot tags, you weirdo. There's a guy behind stump. I got this. Fuck this for you. Oh, he said fuck you. Me personally. Me personally. Me personally. And he whispered it so you couldn't hear it because he's a little bitch boy and can't speak up for himself.
Oh my God! What is?
Crazy.
I can hear people around me.
That's crazy, bro. Yeah, exactly. I'm not taking that like black ass monkey that looks like smell like shit. That's just me.
What the?
Fuck you.
Oh, this freaking 90 here sucks.
90
Shit,
hertz.
at least
You're on 90.
I am on
Okay,
90.
we're 20's ass.
I plan on plus 2. Yeah.
Okay, but you're on 90 though.
I'm just saying.
What?
Bro. 90's better than 120, that's for damn sure. I'm trying to fix my Instagram.
Oh, good job, bro. Oh.
Fuck you. Hey, look where we're going, sugar pie. I saw you, so I decided to just go like this. Oh, get him! He smell like shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! That's why he smell like a bitch. Let it for real.
Ah, that's it, bro. I'm playing on 30. Nah, that's just like 60. Sorry.
30.
Bro, it's just my FPS is 30. But it's
This
just
why you gonna
completely
stick to the
fixed.
walls like you're cum. Fuck, damn. You're on 30. I will ban this shit.
Nah, bro.
I bet I'm it. Oh, I'm not. Surprising.
Holy crap. I'm so messed up. Oh. Where'd he go? Oh my, what? Did I not hit that? What? What? Bro. Dang, he is good. Oh. Oh.
I just flew a plane into an elementary school.
Long jump.
Alright, I'm back. I put my Steam jar long guns now. Nah, cause now I put on my Steam VR long guns.
Whoa, I messed that up.
All I gotta do is spawn Steam VR and then turn on long guns. What the heck? I use Unity, guys. I use Unity.
And that's it.